Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm your host, Ron, and if you've been following the show, you know we've been tracking some pretty major shifts in the gold and silver markets. Between Fed policy uncertainty, political drama, and one of the most jaw-dropping gold discoveries in recent history, there's a lot to unpack, so let's get into it. All eyes were on the Federal Reserve's Jackson Hole Symposium, where Chair Jerome Powell hinted at a possible shift in interest rate policy. Translation? The Fed may be getting ready to cut rates as early as September. Markets are now pricing in an 85% chance at a rate cut next month, and that's bullish for gold. Lower rates mean lower yields on cash and bonds, which usually sends people looking for alternative stores of value. And that's where gold comes in. Oh, and now here's something even more interesting. Political pressure is heating up at the Fed. In a surprising move, President Trump publicly threatened to remove Fed Governor Lisa Cook. That kind of uncertainty around central bank leadership adds fuel to the fire, and it strengthens gold's position as a safe haven. And then following the news, gold quickly rebounded. And this tells you something. When confidence in institutions waver, people run to gold. And we're not just talking about retail investors. Holdings in major gold ETFs ticked up as well. Okay, now let's talk about silver. With continued strength in industrial demand and the potential for monetary easing ahead, silver could be setting up for its next leg higher. Remember, we're still in a long-term supply deficit, and if gold starts running again, silver likely won't be far behind. And now here's a story that puts everything in perspective. Archaeologists just unearthed a massive trove of gold and silver artifacts in what was once a Celtic settlement in modern-day Czech Republic. We're talking hundreds of gold and silver coins, over 1,000 pieces of jewelry, and luxury trade goods, all dating back more than 2,200 years. I mean, it's an unprecedented find. And it also reminds us of something important. Gold and silver are legacy assets. They've been used by empires, civilizations, and cultures across every continent for thousands of years. Through wars, economic collapse, and regime change, gold and silver have held their value. Paper currencies, digital assets, stocks, they go up and down. But gold and silver, they endure. So while today's headlines are all about rate cuts and uncertainty, this discovery proves what we've always said. Whether it's central banks hedging risk, investors reacting to Fed drama, or ancient civilizations preserving wealth, gold and silver are long-term plays. If they've lasted 2,000 plus years, there's a good chance they'll still be here long after the next election cycle, interest rate hike, or market correction. And that brings us back to today. If you want to help protect your retirement or diversify your portfolio, now's a great time to take a serious look at precious metals. And that's where Goldco comes in. With over $3 billion in precious metals placed and more than 7,000 five-star reviews, well, Goldco is one of the most trusted names in the business. They work directly with world mints to ensure the security and authenticity of your gold and silver. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit delivered straight to your door. Just click the link below to get yours and learn how gold and silver could fit into your financial future.